Am I audible to everyone? Show me your thumbs up. Okay. So we will be having a workshop for Vedic maths. Vedic maths means what? Vedic maths is the ancient math, right? Vedic maths is the ancient math. Before that, I will be telling you I will be showing you some PPT. You can see this PPT everyone. Everybody can see this PPT. Just show me a thumbs up if you can see your PPT. Okay, let's start. So basically, we are having this workshop for Vedic maths, right? And on the special occasion for release of that movie, that is Shakuntala Devi, right? So Shakuntala Devi movie is what? In that we have so much past calculations, right? So we'll be seeing the glimpses of that in this PPT. We are basically a company that is AVAS, AVAS, right? And we are being associated with government awarded best education and skill provider. If you will do the Vedic maths course from our institute, our company, then you will be given the certificate that will be government approved. You will be given a government logo on that certificate. Okay, so we are basically a government approved organization. Okay, next sir, please. So you can see the glimpses of the movie that is Shakuntala Devi, right? That how she is doing the calculations very much fast, right? So we will be seeing the glimpses of this. Next. Then we will be seeing the shortcut tricks. Shortcut tips. We will be doing that shortcut tricks here in the board today. Then next. You can also see the quick square she is doing in her mind. So we will be also doing the quick squares in the mind. Let's do the calculations after this PPT. Right? Okay, next. She is solving a square grid. Square grid means when we act horizontally, vertically or diagonally, the answer will be same. So we will be doing that grids when you will start learning the Vedic maths course. Okay? Next, please. She is being awarded as a missed revolving number. Means she knows the numbers which we can interchange and we can get the same answer. Okay. Next. We are being associated with many of the schools, many of the institutes, and many of the franchises are running. We are providing Abacus and Vedic maths courses in all of the areas. You can see. Next, please. So basically, we are providing with two courses, Abacus and Vedic maths. So Abacus, we are not here for Abacus, but still I am giving you just overview. It increases the concentration power, it increases the memory, it increases the aptitude, it also increases the confidence level and it develops the brain. This is the main advantage of doing Abacus. Okay, next please. You can see the children are doing visualization, doing the Abacus in mind in schools. Next. We are not only running with only the schools offline, we are also running the online classes nowadays. So you can see. Next. Online PTMs are going on. We are just judging the performance of children. Abacus demos are there. So next is, now we are having Vedic maths course, right? So we are here for Vedic maths demo. हम यहाँ किस लिए हैं? हम Vedic maths demo के लिए हैं. Basically, Vedic maths का मतलब क्या होता है? It is an ancient maths. It removes the phobia of maths. अगर हमें maths से डर लगता है तो हमारा बिल्कुल remove हो जाता है, right? It increases our aptitude. It increases our logical reasoning. We will be telling you logics where we will be using the tricks. It increases our confidence level. If your answers are right, so obviously your concentration and your confidence level will be built. Yes or no? Show me your thumbs up, everyone. अगर आपके सारे answers right होंगे पेपर में तो आपको confidence level build होगा, right? Next, it also develops the concentration in the subject maths, right? Thank you. Next. So we are doing with the classes in the schools of Vedic maths offline. Next, please. We are also doing these courses online. You can see online boards are visible and every children is doing online classes, right? Next, please. Vedic maths demo is being done. Everything, basically everything nowadays we are doing online. So You can learn Vedic maths courses. We are being associated with many of the reputed schools, you can see. Next, please. And many of the eminent dignitaries. You can see Prakash Javadekar sir, every eminent dignitaries are there. And we are associated with the government sector, that is SCRT, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, everything. And we are not only doing with the Abacus and Vedic maths courses, we are also providing the national level to the students. Means every year we conduct a national level exam for Abacus and Vedic maths. And if you are a winner all over India, so you will be awarded with the prize. Next, please. So you can see exhibitions also we provide, that how can you bring your talent. Many of the young mathematicians come every year, national championship. You can see she has been awarded with from Ira Singhal, who is the IAS of topper. Next, please. She is the national champion. So basically, these are the glimpses of the awards and prizes which are being given to the schools and the children. Okay. Thank you. So this was my PPT. Now I will share you few of the tricks. Thank you. Yes. Now everybody can see me today. Yes. Everybody can see me. Show me your thumbs up. You can see me. Yes. So let's start with the tricks of today. And first we will be revising the benefits of Vedic maths. Right. It is a Vedic maths is a technique through which we can do our calculations very much fast. If you will see the questions today now, which we will be doing on the board, you will be thinking that, wow, the calculations can be done so much fast. So easy calculations. So you will be finding it very interesting. So what are the benefits of Vedic maths? My calculations will be fast. My logical reasoning will be increased. My phobia of maths will be removed. 100% accuracy will be there. And if all the four things are there, so what is being built? My confidence level is being built, right? हमारा confidence भी बढ़ेगा. अगर हमारे सारे answers paper में right होंगे तो हमारा confidence बढ़ेगा, right everyone? So today we will be starting with the few of the tricks. I hope my board is visible to everyone, right? Let's start. Now, this is my first question. 23 multiplied by 11. How do we do it in maths? We multiply 1 by 3, then 1 by 2, then put a cross here, then 1 by 3, then 1 by 2, and then we add it. Everybody do like this? Everybody do like this now? Right? But through Vedic maths, we are saving our time, right? Our time is saved. So how we will be doing through Vedic maths? We will be eradicating all these three steps. How we will be doing? Look here. My question is same. What we are doing is, we will be writing 3 on the ones place, 2 on the hundreds place, and 2 plus 3 is what? 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So my 5 in the middle. This is my answer. No need of doing 3 steps. We can do it orally also. Yes? Yes or no? हम orally भी कर सकते हैं? Yes. Okay. Let's do one more question. I will see your faces. You will tell me what will be the oral answer. Okay. 62 multiplied by 11. What will be the answer? Yes, tell me. You can also chat in the chat box. My answer is 6 on the hundreds place, 2 on the ones place, and 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 on the tens place. This is my answer. 6, 8, 2. Understood, everyone? Is it easy or not? Yes. Okay, now let's do one more question, and that we will be doing in triple digit. For example, if the question is 123 multiplied by 11. So what we will be doing? 1 on the thousands place, 3 on the ones place, 3 plus 2 pair, that is 5, and 2 plus 1 pair, that is 3. So my answer is 1353. Easy? Is it easy or not? We can do it very easily, right? So we no need of doing so much big calculations, 3 or 4 steps. We can do it very easily, right? So now let's do one more question of this kind. And you can also answer me in the chat box. What is the answer for this? 6, 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 11. Who will tell me the answer for this? Yes. So 6 on the 10,000s place, 1 on the ones place, then 1 plus 1 is 2. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 6 is 7. So your answer is 6, 7, 2, 2, 1. Easy? Everybody got it? No need of doing the calculations. We can do it very easily, very orally we can do. Right? Interesting now? So this is only one trick. We will be doing so many tricks today. Okay? Let's start now. Next trick. Okay. So we have seen in the movie Shakuntala Devi that she is doing the squares very easily, right? She is doing the squares easily, right? अब squares का मतलब क्या होता है? The number multiplied by itself. If I say you 65 का square क्या होता है? तो उसका क्या मतलब होगा? 65 multiplied by 65, right? So instead of doing 65 into 65, we will be applying very easy trick. First of all, everyone tell me what is 5 square? What is 5 square? Everyone knows 25? Very good. Now, if I ask you what is 15 square, can you answer? Can you all answer? It's 225. Very good. 225. But if I ask you what is 75 square, can you all answer? Okay. Many of you can answer. Maybe you know the trick. Okay. Yes. So what is the trick behind it is, we will be taking the square of 5. That we know. Right? 5 का square हमें पता है ना क्या होता है? So we will be writing 25 as it is. Right? And we will be taking the successor of 7. 7 का successor क्या होता है? 8. 7 का successor क्या होता है? 8. 7 को 8 से multiply कर दो. Multiply 7 with 8. That is 56. So your answer is 5625. Easy? Yes. Now just tell me what will be the answer for 65 square. Oral answer you can get it. Very good. Your answer is 4225. Right? You can get the oral answer? Yes? Clap for yourself, everyone. Very good. You all can get your oral answer. Clap for yourself. Right. Okay. Let's do one more question. What is the answer for 85 square? Tell me oral answer. Tell me oral answer. What is 85 square? 5 square is 25. 8 into 9 is? 8 into 9 is 72. Right? So your answer is 7225. Understood? Has everybody understood? Show me a thumbs up if you have understood. Okay, very good, children. Okay. Now, let's do the reverse trick of it. We have done the squares which were ending with 5, right? ये सारे end कर रहे थे ना 5 से. Now, we will be doing the squares which will be starting with 5. For example, if I ask you what is 54 square? Now this is starting with 5 now, right? So what we will be doing, my first step will be same, that is 4 square. So 4 square is what? 16, right? And what we will be doing, we will be also taking the square of 5. Square of 5 क्या होता है? 25. और 25 में आप ये वाला 4 ऐड कर दो. क्या आएगा आंसर? 29. What will be the answer? 29. So your answer is 2916. Is it clear? Let's do one more question. Okay. What will be 56 square? नाउ 6 का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया 36, राइट, उसको तो आप एज इट इज लिख दो। एंड 5 का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया 25, वेरी गुड। 25 में 6 ऐड कर लिया तो क्या बन गया, what is the answer? The answer is 31. What is the answer? The answer is 31. So answer, full answer is 3136. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Understood everyone? Okay. Is it interesting or not? You can get the oral answer. Yes, आप oral answer दे सकते हैं. Okay. Let's do one more trick. Everybody know how to solve fractions? Yes? Okay, let's do one trick of fractions now. Okay. Now, if I write a question 2 plus 1 by 3. So how do you do this question? आप मैथ्स में कैसे करते हो इस क्वेश्चन को? 2 के नीचे 1 लिखते हो? Yes. Then you take the LCM. Then you take the LCM ना? So 1 and 3 का LCM होगा 3. Then cross multiply 6 plus 1, that is 7 upon 3. Right? And then you divide. If you get mixed fraction, you will be getting 2 1 by 3. Right? ऐसे ही करते हैं सारे बच्चे? Yes. But Vedic maths में आप लोग कैसे करेंगे? If a whole number is there and a proper fraction is there, no need of doing any calculations. You just have to raise the plus sign. आपको सिर्फ प्लस साइन को हटाना है, आपके पास डायरेक्ट आंसर आ गया 2 1 by 3. हमें करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Yes or no? Yes. अब सबके फेसेस पे स्माइल्स आ गई, राइट? बहुत इजी ट्रिक थी है ना? जस्ट एक प्लस साइन तो इरेज करना है, राइट? इज इट इजी और नॉट? Yes. Okay, now everybody will tell me the answer for this question. 4 plus 1 by 7. What is the answer for this? 4 1 by 7. Everybody has answered. Very good. It's so easy now. It's 4 1 by 7. No need of solving anything. Just erase the plus sign. Your answer is 4 1 by 7. Okay? Okay. Now, but if a question is 2 minus 1 by 3. If I have negative number, means if I have to subtract, so then what we will be doing? We will be doing the same thing, means 2's predecessor is what? 1. 2 का predecessor लोगे, that is 1. ठीक है? And न्यूमिनेटर में से डिनोमिनेटर को माइनस करोगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा 3 minus 1 is 2. That is our new numerator and denominator same. Your answer is 1 2 by 3. Easy? Yes, समझ में आया सबको? Let's do one more question. 4 minus 1 by 7. What will be the answer for this? 4 का predecessor हो गया 3. Right? 7 में से 1 को माइनस करो क्या आएगा 6. क्या आएगा 6. That will be the numerator and the denominator will be same. So 3 6 by 7. Very good. Understood? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now you will tell me the answer. Okay, tell me the answer for this. Quickly tell me. Who is telling me? Very good, Navya. Okay. The answer is 4 2 by 3. Right? Its answer is 4 2 by 3. It's so easy now. Right? Okay. Now let's do one more trick. Ready for the next trick? Easy? मजा आ रहा है ना सबको? Interesting लग रहा है? Yes. Okay. Now, if I want to ask some question from you, for example, if I'm giving you one question, this, just tell me on your fingers कि आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा ये क्वेश्चन करने में. How much time do you require to solve this question? 1 minute. Okay. 5 minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Let's do like this. Now, how much time do you require to solve this question? Yes. Mohit, 10 minutes. Okay. So, we will be solving this question in seconds. First, let us solve this question and then you will tell me, I will tell you that how we will solve this question. Okay? I am doing the question first. This is my answer. I have 100% surety that my answer is correct. Okay? How much time did I take? Has anybody counted? Seconds? Right? 5 to 10 seconds I took? Yes? So how we have done here? See, what we have done in this question, we have taken the predecessor of the particular upper digit. Means 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9. इसको तो मैंने यहाँ तक पूरा सेम कॉपी कर दिया. ठीक है? एंड 4 का मैंने प्रीडिसेसर लिख दिया, दैट इज 3. 4 का प्रीडिसेसर क्या होता है? 3. आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर क्लियर हुआ सबको? हमें अपर डिजिट का प्रीडिसेसर लिखना है. ओके, द नंबर बिफोर दैट नंबर. उसके बाद हमारे पास वैदिक मैथ्स में कुछ सूत्रास होते हैं, शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स होती हैं. दैट इज बीइंग अप्लाइड हियर. दैट इज ऑल फ्रॉम 9 लास्ट फ्रॉम 10. मींस हम सारी डिजिट्स को तो 9 से माइनस करेंगे और लास्ट डिजिट को 10 से माइनस करेंगे. ठीक है? कैसे करेंगे? सी, ऑल डिजिट्स फ्रॉम 9 एंड लास्ट डिजिट फ्रॉम 10. 9 माइनस 4 क्या होता है? 5. यहां लिख दो. ओके, 9 माइनस 7 क्या होता है? 2. देन 9 माइनस 8 इज 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 10 minus 4 is 6. This is my whole answer. समझ में आया सबको? Yes? Now let's do in a short way. Means अगर मैं short question लेती हूँ तब आपको और clear हो जाएगा. See. 4, 7, 8, 2 multiply by 9, 9, 9, 9. तो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या था? मल्टीप्लिकेंट का हमें क्या लेना है? प्रीडिसेसर लेना है, अपर डिजिट का प्रीडिसेसर. तो हमारा आ जाएगा 4, 7, 8, 1. यस, यही आ जाएगा. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? ऑल फ्रॉम 9 लास्ट फ्रॉम 10. सारे डिजिट्स को 9 से माइनस करना है और लास्ट डिजिट को 10 से माइनस करना है. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 2 is 8. This is my answer. समझ में आया सबको? Yes, is it clear? Okay, very good. Children are very energetic, very interesting you are finding this. Okay. Now, let's do one more trick. Okay. Now, let's do one more trick of multiplication by 101. 42 multiply by 101. अब इसको आप मैथ्स में कैसे करोगे? या तो आप 101 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 टाइम्स एंड देन ऐड करोगे, या फिर आप इसके अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी भी लगा सकते हो. 100 + 1 में ब्रेक कर सकते हो इसको एंड देन आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो. कर सकते हैं ना? बट हमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है. हमें क्या करना है? अपर डिजिट को 2 टाइम्स लिखना है. This is my answer. Easy? Yes? What is 73 multiplied by 101? Tell me the answer. 7373. Right? Easy ना? कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. क्वेश्चन देखो और आंसर लिख दो. No need of doing anything. So many smiles I am seeing now after this. Okay. Everyone can answer now. Tell me the answer for 67 multiplied by 101. What is the answer? 6767. Right? Easy? Okay. Now, let's start with one more trick. Now we are doing one question for division. Okay? Now, if I say you one question, everyone, you have your notepads with you? Copy है आप लोगों के पास? Notebooks है? I'm giving you one question. Just do it and tell me the answer. Okay? And I will write here. Just check whether it is right or not. 1312 divided by 9. Do with your method 1312 divided by 9. And I have written my answer. You have to get the answer in quotient and remainder. Quickly tell me the answer. कि कैसे कर रहा है मैं अभी बताती हूँ. 1312 divided by 9. Just check my answer. Is my answer correct? Is it right? कौन बताएगा मुझे ये आंसर सही भी है या नहीं? सही है. Okay. Thank you Navya. Thank you Kanika. Okay, it's right. Okay Mohit, it's right. Have you all done it? But मैंने तो कोई steps ही नहीं लगाए. मैंने तो direct answer ही लिख दिया. No step I have done. Right? अब how I have done, I am telling you. See, look here. My question is 1312 divided by 9. अब इसमें हमें 9 का कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं है. 9 से हमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है. What we will be doing is 1 को हम as it is लिख देंगे quotient में. ठीक है? 1 को हमने as it is quotient के अंदर लिख दिया. ओके? अब आप क्या करोगे? क्वोशिएंट और डिविडेंड को साथ साथ ऐड करते जाओगे. 1 + 3. 1 + 3 क्या होता है? 4. 4 को यहाँ लिख दिया मैंने. ठीक है? फिर 4 को नेक्स्ट नंबर में ऐड करो. 4 + 1 5. 5 को यहाँ लिख दिया मैंने. देन 5 को 2 में ऐड करो. क्या बनेगा? 7. अब वो हमारा लास्ट नंबर है तो वो मेरा बन जाएगा रिमाइंडर. हमने क्या करा है इसके अंदर? सिर्फ प्लस करा है हमने. कोई 9 का लेना देना ही नहीं है. We have not used 9. Right? Easy? Have you all understood? I will explain one more question. Okay? Let's do one more question. One, 3, 4 divided by 9. 1132 divided by 9. So, question and remainder. What we will be doing? 1 as it is. Okay. Now, 1 + 1 is 2. So, I will be writing 2 here. Right? Now, 2 + 3 is 5. I will be writing 5 here. Now, 5 + 2 is 7. So, that is my last number. That is my remainder. This is my answer. समझ में आया सबको? Easy लगा? Right? Okay. Good. So I'm giving you one question and you can answer me in the chat box now. Okay, everyone? I'm giving you one question. Tell me the answer for this. Quickly. I want the answer from your side. Quickly. Tell me the answer. You can chat in the chat box. Yes, who will tell me? The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4 and remainder is 8. Right? Easy? Okay. Now, is it easy or not? Everybody, you all are finding it is easy or not? It's easy? It's interesting? Right? Okay. So much energy you all have. Okay. Now I am doing the particular trick for classes 8th onwards. Okay, 6th and 7th you can also see, but 8th onwards can see it very clearly, because now I am doing one trick for cube roots. What is the cube root? If you see Shakuntala Devi movie, she is solving maximum of the cube root questions orally, right? अपने मुंह से वो बोल के answers दे रही थी quickly, right? So I will be solving one cube root trick with everyone. Now cube root का मतलब क्या होता है? For example, if I ask you 62 को आप 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? वो आंसर को अगर हमें उसका रूट निकालना है, that is a cube root. Okay? If I ask you 62 को अगर 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, so what will be the answer for that? The answer is 238 328. Okay. Now आपके पास ये आंसर क्वेश्चन है एंड आपको इसका क्यूब रूट निकालना है. क्यूब रूट निकालना है मतलब कि ये वाला जो नंबर है वो कौन से नंबर को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करके आया है. ओके, आपको क्या करना है, इसका क्यूब रूट निकालना है कि ये वाला नंबर जो है वो कौन से नंबर को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करके आया है. बट इसके लिए आपको 1 to 9 क्यूब्स लर्न होने चाहिए. कैसे? व्हाट इज 1 क्यूब? दैट इज 1, राइट? 2 को अगर 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो क्या आता है? 8 आता है ना? 3 का क्यूब क्या होता है? 27. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 4's cube is 64. Then 5's cube is 125. 6's cube is 216. 7's cube is 343. 8's cube is 512. And 9's cube is 729. आपको ये वाले क्यूब्स लर्न होने चाहिए. ठीक है, अब हम क्यूब रूट में क्या करेंगे? We will be separating this cube root number in 3 triplets. Basically in 2 pairs we are separating. Right से हम 3 डिजिट के बाद स्लैश डाल देंगे. ठीक है, अब मेरा इस पार्ट का एक आंसर होगा और इस पार्ट का एक आंसर होगा. राइट, now how we will be doing it? If you see the last digit of this number, what is the last digit of this number? 8. आप देखो कि कौन से क्यूब में 8 लास्ट में आता है. कौन से क्यूब में 8 लास्ट में आता है? 2 के क्यूब में, राइट? 2 के क्यूब में 8 लास्ट में आता है ना? तो यहाँ आप लिख दोगे बस 2. डायरेक्टली आप लिख दोगे 2 क्योंकि ये 2 के क्यूब में आता है. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 238. जस्ट सी दैट 238 जो है वो कौन से दो क्यूब्स के बीच में लाई करता है? 238 लाई करता है 216 और 343 के बीच में, राइट? 238 किसके बीच में लाई करता है? 216 और 343 के बीच में. तो हमें हमेशा लोएस्ट वाला नंबर लेना है, दैट इज 6. So the answer is 62. Okay, I am explaining one more question. Then we will be revising all the topics which we have done till now. Okay, everyone? Ready for that? I will give you the questions and you all will be doing. Now 91125. So I have separated 3 digits from right. Now what is the last digit for 125? This is 5. And in which cube I got 5? In the last, I got it 5's cube. So I have write 5 here. Right? And 91 जो है वो कौन से दो क्यूब्स के बीच में लाई करता है? 91 lies between 64 and 125. Right? 4 के क्यूब के बीच में और 5 के क्यूब के बीच में. तो हम लोएस्ट वाला लेंगे, दैट इज 4. So your answer is 45. Directly you can get the overall answer. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now let's start with the. I'm giving you 1-2 questions. Everyone, please answer me. What is 72 multiplied by 11? Quickly tell me. We have done this trick today. What is 72 multiplied by 11? Very good, Navya. And abacus, you are showing 792, right? The answer is 792. 7 on the hundreds place, 2 on the ones place. 7 plus 2 is 9. Understood, everyone? Right? Next trick we have done of squares. Now tell me, what is 95 square? Oral answer. Everyone, tell me quickly. What is 95 square? 5 square is 25. And 9 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? सक्सेसर से. 9 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 9025. Understood? Is everybody clear with this? Okay. Now, the next we have done with, if I say you 58 square, the reverse one. What you do in this? What is the reverse number? Yes, tell me quickly. 8 का square 64. Then 5 का भी square कर दो, वो क्या आ जाएगा? 25, right? 25 में plus 8 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 33. So your answer is 3364. Easy? Yes? Okay. Now this everybody will give, I know. This answer everybody will give. 72 multiplied by 101. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 7272. Very good. Now this everybody has given. The answer is 7272. Right? Okay. Now then we have done with fraction trick. 4 plus 1 by 3. What is the answer? This also everybody will give. 4, 1 by 3. Just erase the plus sign. Right? Okay. Now if it is 4 minus 1 by 3, then इसका predecessor लिखो 3. Right? And 3 में से 1 minus कर दो, that is 2. So your answer is 3, 2 by 3. Understood? Yes? Okay. Then we have done with multiplication of 9 strip. If I ask you this question, what is the answer for this? Oral answer you can give now. Yes, tell me quickly, who will give the oral answer? 428, that is the predecessor, and 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So your answer is 428571. Easy? Yes. So then next we have done of division, right? 4, 1, 1 divided by 9. Tell me the quotient and the remainder. Yes, tell me 4, then 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 हमारा हो गया remainder. Easy? Okay. And then we have done with one cube root. Now tell me the cube root, those who have learned. What is the cube root of 551368? Tell me the answer for this. Yes. 8 जो है वो कौन से क्यूब के लास्ट में लाई करता है? 2. So I will write 2 here. Right? 551 जो है वो कौन से दो क्यूब्स के बीच में लाई करता है? 8 और 9 के बीच में. Right? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 8. 82. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? So did you like the tricks, everyone? Is it easy? So basically we are running these courses now online also. You can apply for these courses. The price details will be shared to you by the school. Okay, I will be telling you now what are the batch details. Means how we will be going with the classes. Everyone look here and see, listen me carefully. how we will be going with the classes. First, if you all are attending today's workshop, so I am sharing you one link in the chat box. Okay, आपको मैं chat box पे एक link भेज रही हूँ. आप लोग उस link में feedback form fill करेंगे और अगर आप feedback form fill करेंगे तो आपको जो है टीचर्स डे वाले दिन 5 सितंबर को everybody will be issued one e-certificate of attending this Vedic Maths workshop. Okay, आप सबको आपकी मेल आईडीज पे ई सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा कि आप लोगों ने आज की वर्कशॉप अटेंड करी थी. ठीक है, if you want all everybody want this certificate, then you have to fill the feedback form which I am just texting you in the chat box. Everybody can see. Everybody will see this feedback form. I have just texted you in the chat box. You can just click on that feedback form and you can just fill that feedback form. Okay. Now, when you will be enrolling for this course, अगर आप इस course के लिए enroll करते हैं, I want everyone should enroll so that in this lockdown period we should learn much, right? You all want to be a mathematician? Yes. You all want to build your confidence level? Yes or no? And your math subject should increase. You should be intelligent, right? So that's why you should do this course, and in this lockdown period you should take the benefit of this period, that we should learn more, right? So we will be learning these things in a batch. A 25:1 will be the ratio. 25 students will be there in a batch. Okay, and twice a week your classes will be there. In one level you will be having 25 classes. Okay, when you will enroll for this course, then you will be provided e-books on your mail IDs. आप लोगों को e-books मिलेंगी जो आपकी mail IDs पे आएंगी. ठीक है, और जब आप एक लेवल कंप्लीट कर लोगे तो आपको जो है e-certificate इशू होगा कि you all have completed Vedic Maths course from AVAS, which is a government approved organization. Okay, आप लोगों को government approved certificate मिलेगा. Okay, now I have shared you one link. Everybody shall fill this feedback form. And if you want to ask something, you can just chat me. I will be waiting for your message now. You can just chat with me. You can just text me if you want to ask something. And I am writing the numbers also on the board. I am also writing the link on the board. If you can't see in the chat box, you can just see there. That is https:// www.abacus-feedbackform.html. This is the link. If you can't see in the chat, you can click on this also. You can just write this link and then you can fill the feedback form. अगर आप लोग ये feedback form fill करोगे तो then you will be getting issued one e-certificates also on 5th September as it is a Teachers Day. Okay, understood everyone? I am writing few of the numbers on the board which you can see, and if you have any query you can just discuss here. Eight 886063340 886063340. Okay, so everyone can see, note down these numbers also. If you find any query, if you want to join the course, if you want to do these things, so you will be, your questions will be clarified there. And if you want to ask me here, you can just chat here also. Anybody has any query? No query. So did you all enjoy the workshop? Is it easy? Is it interesting or not? Yes or no? It's interesting now. You want to be a Shakuntala Devi, a new Shakuntala Devi, today's Shakuntala Devi. Yes. So you all want to be the mathematician, right? So that's why if you want to be a mathematician, you have to join this course. Yes or no? So you will be learn so many tricks now. अभी तो मैंने आपको सिर्फ 5-6 tricks बताई, right? But when you will join this course, तो आपको जो है मैं बहुत सारी tricks और बताऊंगी जिससे आपको मैथ्स का हर concept easy हो जाएगा. Squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, trigonometry and everything will be covered. Okay, so every topic of your maths, algebraic division, algebraic multiplication, everything is being covered in Vedic maths. Okay, everyone? Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. We are ending with this session today. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, everyone.